Okay, so we got 30 minutes. I want to build a replica of Monday.com, and I think we can see how far we can get. Okay, because this is what trying to do now. I'm trying to make an app that allows me to sell subscription. I don't know. Even just I want to investigate what AI can really do. My name is Aaron. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live stream. Let's get started here. I want to show you exactly what I want to try to build, and it's this. So here's Monday.com, and it's basically management tools. It costs a lot of money a year, and so I'm going to see if I could build this out for my church. And this is something like, you could go in here and there's like different boards with different items on here. And then there's different automations that it's allowed. So you could create these different things. And so we use it for different ways. Essentially, it's like a big Excel spreadsheet. There's not really a lot. This thing could do a lot more than what we're using it for. So that's why I feel like I could just create this basic thing. And how we're going to do that is we're going to use this app called Lovable. If you've never built an app out of AI before, this is what I use. Am I good at it? I'm getting better. Am I a genius at it? No. Do I know what I'm doing? No. I got zero skills in coding. Zero. Absolutely none. But I can describe what I want. I can do that. So Lovable.com, I think I could put a link in the description. I made several apps already. I made an AI cash calculator for determining loans, a budget app, and now we're going to do and I've made a home maintenance app. Now we're going to do like a basically task management software. And so, we're going into here. This is Lovable. And so you'll see that I have the same kind of boards on the side, but I don't have anything in here. So we're getting started, and we're going to try to figure this out as we go along. First of all, what's up, crypto? Nine-night. Nat, what's going on, Nat? How are you, man? Good to see you. I'm no sensei, just an explorer. I'm just wandering the world of crypto and AI right now. So here we go. I want to build out, let's say, this first board, God settings. So create a board, I don't know, that I can assign users to and have a title and description. I want to record different ways they have seen, not in the week. I want to be able to create groups, edit the title of the group, and create new items. And then one thing that's very helpful is I'll just do this. I'll take like a screenshot in Monday.com and pop it in there. Make it look like this. I want to be able to add and delete columns, etc. So if you've never built this out before, this is kind of just how I do it. You just kind of type it in there. Now you can get a little more advanced if you want to add bigger updates, more advanced things. I don't know how to put it. Basically, you have to go into, what I do is I go into Grok and I have it type out a prompt for me for basically Lovable to understand, and just put that in there. The reason why we have 30 minutes too is because, my wife is leaving in 30 minutes. So I got 30 minutes to do damage. After that, I'll probably be back a little later, do some more damage to this project, but we'll see how far we could get. And it's only as fast as Lovable can go. Like after this, I type it in, and I'm just like, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm in here, forms and resources. So there's an expense request, training, IT request, media request. Okay. And HR, time off request, staff directory. That's cool. So it created this without me even just like putting anything. Expense request. Well, the expense request I'm going to have linked, view all people. in the directory, view all workspaces. My workspaces only. All right. Yeah, there you go. So then we just wait. I don't know if you guys have any ideas on how you want, what kind of app you want to make. I've made several different apps. Let's see. Let me go through these. Again, just go to Lovable. This one is the AI cash calculator. They check affordability, and so let's say your income is like, I don't know, let's say $60,000 a year. Monthly debt payments is like $400. City of Austin, Texas. State of Texas. Show them what can you afford. Probably afford a price home of about $263. Average monthly payment of this. FHA loan is you could 3.5% down, or conventional loan $13,000 down. Yeah, and then if they want more information, they could just text their information, and then it'll go to a broker, which they'll probably pay me for, hopefully. Okay, let's see here. Done. Okay, no board selected. I see no button to create a board. Yeah. So I need to create, yeah, so it's basically not there. And then eventually I'm going to have to be able to, no. Okay. Brother. The file looks fine. Let me see what's happening. It's not happening. I think maybe it's thinking these are boards. Okay. How do I add a new group? Okay, what happened? Okay. But then how do I add a new group? What do I call this thing? Okay. Boards, groups. I'd like to get on the same page as far as terminology. We have workspaces. In those are boards. In those are groups. In those are items. Board name. Okay. The board name font is to like make it blank. Oh no, not blank. Make it black. The font of the create a board. Okay. Okay. There you go. Board name. Goddess Sightings. Okay. There is no button to create a group. How does this look on mobile. Ooh. Yuck. What should I do? The new group button already exists in the header line. It doesn't exist there. Settings. What should I call this one? Overview. Can I move these? Okay, I can't move them. All right, there you go. New group. We're going to call this Q1 2025. I like that. What's this? New item. Okay. I like the new group here, but I don't like the new button here, and there's no need for the new item. Okay. The new item button is not needed. And the blue new group button is also not needed. Okay. Like that. Rename group like that. You don't need that rename group, but you do need to change the color. Bang, I like that a lot. Bang, I like that a lot. Okay. Add item, happiness. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I can assign it to a particular person, great. And then the date. Make the date editable. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't need the column. I can delete that column now. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks good. Okay. Can I adjust the size of the column? Allow me to adjust the size width of the column. Why does this not look as good as Monday.com though? Okay, one thing at a time. Let's do one thing at a time. Let's just build out these boards. All right. Okay, what else do I need to add? I need to be able to add a sub item and an update. That's what I need to be able to do. In each item, I should be able to add sub items and an update icon. The update should be able to let me put in a description of updates. Timestamp. Okay. Pretty good so far. Can't. What is this? I also want to be able to adjust the color. I'm going to build a highly custom app just to our organization. That means there's going to be, it's not going to be scalable. It's just going to be designed and highly customized for us. Okay, always freaks me out a little bit when it does this. I'll replace the star button with the item updates dialog and add the sub item. Okay, what is this? Okay. I loved having free coffee delivered to me. Okay. But where do I see the updates? Oh, it's right there. Maybe I want to see that button moved before the person, just like Monday.com. I want to create pretty close to Monday.com. Anger. I found a new mixtape in my car. Okay, what are these? Oh, it's adding the sub items. Cool. Done. You can now add sub items. Click the menu, add sub item. I'm not sure if I like that. Okay, let's do this. Move the icon to add a sub item before the, after the checkbox, but before the text of the item. item. Make it invisible unless hovered over. Move the updates icon before the person column. Cool. Be able to change the color of the group text. Give me 12 different colors. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, kids. Looks like we're winding out on time here. I knew I only had 30 minutes, but I think we've made some pretty good headway here. I don't like how that top bar looks. The view all workspaces, view all people, forms and resources. I don't like that. I think a better use of that would be move to the left. I need to update. There you go. I like that. Okay, now I just need to remove this. A little weird, but I'll do that. Bang. Edit. How's this look at mobile? Ooh, brother, ooh, what is that? What is that? Ooh, brother, ooh. Okay, hold on, this has to be adjusted. Okay. This is going to take a lot longer than 30 minutes. That's all I got right now. Ooh. Okay. I don't think that needs to say menu. I think these three need to be on the board side. I think I need to be able to adjust this board. I don't like the dark version of this. I like a light version, a dark version. I don't like all light or all dark. Or I don't like half light, half dark. I like all light or all dark. Change the name of this to Sunday.com. That's what we're going to change the name of this thing. Cool. Okay, I like that. Boom, add it, boom. I like that. Bang, that looks good. That looks real good. Remove this. I'd like for that little chevron to leave. Just be able to click that icon. Let's take a look here. How do I change the colors? Oh yeah, I like that. Colors right there. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. In the bar at the top, move the buttons. View all workspaces, etc. into the sidebar above the board's title and above the create a board icon. This icon. Don't like it there. It's ugly. Okay, I want to be able to duplicate a board. Oh yeah, I like that. Ooh, that looks clean. Yeah, I like that a lot. That looks nice. Very, very nice. Now it's not as cramped, you know, like I just feel like a little cramped here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. Remove the member badge from my name. All right, guys, that is it. That's all I got. Thanks so much for watching and joining this 30 minutes. I'm hearing the call from my wife downstairs. I'll be back later and we're gonna finish this project. See you guys later. Build your own apps.